The name of this piece is the lead kimono. It came about through a similar process. I found the lead sheet at a salvage yard and put it outside to weather. I put steel wool on it so it would rust. And it sat outside for 6 or 8 months, and I brought it inside and hung it. And there it sat for a while until I figured out how I wanted to mount it. And once I mounted it, these are the fasteners for the mounting behind it. Once I mounted it and I started looking at it, it felt like it needed a long piece at the top. And once I did that, all of a sudden it felt like a kimono. So as this became the lead kimono, it started referring to me to Fukushima. And then as I stepped back and looked at kind of the light radiating against the dark, it had this kind of electric quality that seemed finished to me.